Oh, you can hear me, huh? This is puppy number 1. This is puppy number 2. Hello, puppy number 2. Hello, puppy number 2. This is puppy number 2. Oh, they're both beautiful. They're both, I think, exactly the same size. There's Emma. She wants to play. Says, hi, puppies. Hi, puppies. Oh, he's almost walking. Yeah. She gonna get up and walk too? Huh? Puppy number 2, puppy number 1. Oh, I think maybe they're starting to go to the bathroom on their own. Almost standing. I'm not sure if we can see in the camera. Oh, yeah. I can see that. Down here. Down here. Yeah, cleaning it up where one of the puppies went potty. Oh, yeah. She's great. The other one's still sleeping. Says, I'll wake up in a little. I'll wake up in a little bit. Oh, here's Mom. I'm waking up. I'm waking up. It's milk time. Lay down, Tia. Okay. It's lunchtime. Really good, Mom. They're nursing. Making sure they get all their daily nutrition from Mommy. Mommy Tia.